We got a new package today. The homies over at Sneaker Vets sent us a few things. Ooh. Like this. So we got the Sneaker Veterans baseball cap. I like this black and red. That's going to be able to fit. It's going to be able to match so many things. Baseball cap. Like the details and stuff on this. Starting to get into hats and stuff myself, so appreciate you guys sending this out to me. I like both of these right here. This is fire. Let's see what. Okay. We got some shorts as well. Check out these shorts we receive. Okay. I like this. They got the logo on it. So this baseball shorts, all white with the black and red. It's gonna match the J's pretty nicely. Let's see, what is this? Okay. So we got the Sneaker Veterans t-shirt. I like this. This is dope. I like the feel to this. So this t-shirt right here. Flip it over to the front. They got the SV on the front. This is pretty dope. It's gonna make a perfect outfit right here. Nice heavy tee. I like the sneaker on the back. That's really dope. Let's see. And last but not least, let's see what's in here. Let's see me throw this on. We'll put the Instagram inside the description, as well as up on the screen, so that way you guys can see it. Definitely like these shorts. I think the red gonna fit perfect. Actually, So we'll see when I toss on the fit, like which outfit actually fits the best. So pretty much that's the unboxing today. I'm gonna try to get in and start shooting more content on a regular basis. That way I get used to talking on camera. And that's it for the video.